Singapore 425, surface wind 120 degrees 08 knots, runway 14 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 14 right, Singapore 425, and confirm we have 5 services on standby to follow us.
There's a firm, all on standby now.
Thank you, Singapore 425. Singapore 425, we have fire cargo, armed cargo, and please monitor us, the fire services, monitor our cargo compartment for any smoke or fire that is.
Okay.
Singapore 425, once they conduct the infrared check to confirm fire or smoke in the cargo, we may have to disembark passengers on the runway with evacuation flights deployed.
Singapore 425, copy that.
Okay, please let us know once they confirm the fire smoke.
Okay, we'll let you know. Send calendar letter, thank you. Standby one.
Standby. Singapore 425, I think I'll make the decision because I don't know what time your step ladder will come, and if there's a real fire, I have to evacuate now.
It is on the way now.
Okay, give us more step ladders.
Okay, copy that.
And please do not open the cargo door first. Please don't open the cargo door first.
Okay, copy.
425. 425 tower? Okay, seems that our extinguishing agent has worked and the fire is already out and our warning in our cockpit is also out. So I think we can restart our engine and taxi to a remote bay if it's better for you for administration and management of the situation.
425, roger that, standby. 425, confirm you can taxi by your own to the remote bay.
Affirm, we can start one engine and taxi. Start two engines and taxi.
425, copy, standby. We will take one remote bay for you.
Right, thanks. And please tell the fire services to stay clear the engines. We'll be starting engines when you clear us.
425, copy.
Singapore 425, confirm you have, just confirm you have towing truck nearby us now.
425, affirm, the tow master is already there.
Okay, man, then we'll ask for a tow, thanks to the remote bay, thank you.
Singapore 425, copy. 425, confirm the passenger is maintained on board.
Singapore 425, affirm, the fire warning has gone out. So we are assuming that the fire has already been extinguished by the extinguishing agent. So now the passengers can remain on board until we reach the remote bay. We would like the steps to be ready there, disembark the passenger, and then check the cargo door, open the cargo door and check the cargo.
425, roger that, and be advised your remote bay is Alpha 14, and you will be taxi via Charlie 6, and correction, you will be towed via Charlie 6, taxi Charlie, and by taxi Delta, and thereafter Alpha 7.
Okay, just tow us then, thank you so much. Singapore 425, still waiting for your tow. Okay, I see the tow, thank you.
Confirm, is there any dangerous good on that?
Negative, Singapore 425.
Copy that, thank you.
Singapore 425, just for information, we only have some perishables and stuff, no dangerous.
425, say again, read this one.
Okay, we only have perishables and food stuff loaded in the cargo. There's no dangerous.
425, copy.
What's happening to the tow truck?
Then in process to engage the tow bar and standby. SQ425 tower.
Now SQ425, guys.
SQ425, confirm the aircraft now ready for towing?
Confirm.
SQ425, ready to copy the taxi route? Good.
And Singapore 425, please call for the brakes before you begin your tow.
Lumpur tower, SQ425. SQ425 tower. SQ425 will do fire services for SQ425. Say again? SQ425 will do follow services for SQ425. SQ425 complete. We're ready for towing. You may call the tow master to contact you.
Okay, copy, sir. Okay, go.
Oscar 3 tower.
Oscar 3, go.
Confirm you will be the guide distance.
Affirm sir, to remote bay Alpha 14.
Oscar 3 affirm. So to Bay Alpha 14 via taxiway Delta 7. Delta and thereafter Tango 7.
Copy sir, taxiway Delta 7, Tango 7.
Oscar 4 tower. Oscar 4, after the aircraft is cleared from runway, can you do a one runway inspection and speed off any airport? Oscar 3, continue towing by Delta.
Copy sir, continue towing via Delta.
Oscar 4, entering runway 21 for runway inspection. Oscar 4, clear the runway for inspection.
Hotel is okay, 330, establish on the VOR, runway 1 left.
CI 330, contact 118.5 sir. Correction 118.8.
118.8, okay, 330.
Singapore 425, just to make sure our engineering will be there, the bay to meet us as well, thank you.
So 145 say again?
Singapore 425, just confirm that we will require our engineering to meet us at the bay as well. Can you please inform them, thank you.
145 copy.
Namo Tower, make an 2711 to afternoon.
Malaysia 2711, good afternoon. Contact 118.8 sir.
118.8, make an 2711.
Singapore 425 tower.
Singapore 425, go ahead.
We already informed the ground operation. They will embark your engineering signal there.
Thank you.
Oscar 3, continue straight by Delta and Tango 7 to be Alpha 14.
Copy sir, taxiway Delta 7, Tango 7.
Tower, Malaysia 624, good afternoon, establish Island Zulu, runway 14.
624 Lama Tower, good afternoon. Can approach 1 tower.
Continue approach, Malaysia 1624.
Lama Tower, Malaysia 769.
Malaysia 61 Lama Tower, good afternoon. Continue approach runway 14 right. Proceeding traffic, company 737 at 9 miles, 1 speed 170.
Continue approach, Malaysia 761.